Hello everyone. Today we are going to show you who should be using Kreativespace AI writing tools. Any individual, be it students, professionals, researchers, creators, individuals who likes to write, who loves to write, should be using these AI writing tools. From paraphraser, citation generator, summarizer, translator, grammar checker, AI humanizer, AI detector, plagiarism checker, should be using these AI writing tools in day-to-day life, as communication is an integral part playing a vital role in their day-to-day basis. If communication is clear, your credibility will be maintained. So today we are going to show you plagiarism checker. Over here, copy paste the text. Once this is done, it will crawl billions of websites to make sure whether your content was taken from anywhere else or not. To make sure our end user get the best output, it is getting trained every single second. Yes, you heard that right. Also, it can be used by research individuals, making sure the exams, assignments or reports by professionals, to make sure those content is not plagiarized and to make sure it is not getting content from anywhere else. They should be using plagiarism checker. See, as soon as I did that, it is showing 55% of the content was taken from internet, 25 from paraphrased. You are getting sources as well. That is the best part. We provide you with a 100% exact source where the content was taken from, the original content. Click onto the link and it will redirect you to the place where the content was taken from. That is one of the best part about plagiarism checker. Combined it with AI detector to make sure whether the content was taken from AI as well. Analyze the text. It will do it for you. Go ahead and check the grammar as well of the same content to make sure your credibility is not at all harmed. You can do that. Just paste the content and it's done for you. It will correct all the grammar in one go. You don't have to worry about it. Also, you can check the stats of the grammar as well in one place. Once that is done, go ahead with the translator. Here's the translator. Paste the content. Explain it to 3 different individuals with 3 different languages of the same content in one place. That is the power of Kreativespace translator. Go ahead with summarizer to explain it to your colleagues what the paper or what the content is all about. Do it. And you can choose the amount of words you want to explain it into. For example, I want to explain 2000 words content into 25 words. I can do that. It's that easy. Here, without changing the meaning.
Now, you can also use AI humanizer as well. With this, copy paste the content that you have. You can paste from any AI content or any AI tool. ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot. Let's go for ChatGPT. Copy paste the content that you have. Over here, you can choose the tonality as well. Standard, fluency, natural. Students for assignments, researchers for research papers. Any individuals who has to make sure they are humanizing their AI content naturally. Humanize it. Our tool, within few seconds, will humanize it for you without changing the meaning. That is the best part of it. Now, you can also go for history, completely under your control.
So no matter who you are, what you do or what you write, any individual, if they want a professional quality writing with a clear communication, should be using these AI writing tools in their day-to-day basis, so their credibility is not at all harmed and they make sure whatever they are trying to convey is getting properly conveyed. Use AI writing tools of Kreativespace now.